Hi guys, Rog here. Welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. And today we're going to be cooking a bacon and mushroom frittata. It makes a wonderful snack, or you could have it as a main meal if you wanted. Please stick around and I'll show you how it's done. So we take our pan, put it on the hob. Into this I'm going to put a hefty amount of butter. Mix this around. Now the pan's on a medium heat, so all we've got to do is melt this butter down. Then we're going to add our bacon. So pop that in. We're going to cook this down a little bit until it gets a little bit soft. Then we can put in our chopped onion. One whole white onion, that's fine. Give this a stir around. Now these quantities depend on you guys. I've got quite a small pan, so I'm not using as much as I need. We're only cooking for 4 people and it's only a snack after all. You might want to use a bigger pan and bigger quantities too. Then we can go in with our mushrooms that have been chopped up a bit. Now they can absorb up that butter and be really tasty. Basically guys, you can put in a frittata pretty much anything that you want to. So while that's cooking down a bit, we're going to jump over to the eggs. I'm going to crack 4 eggs into this very large bowl. Then again, if you're making a bigger one, you're going to probably want 6 or even 7 eggs. So we crack these eggs into the bowl. Then we can continue by whisking them together. Then we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. This is just sea salt, a big pinch of sea salt, and I'm going to put a big pinch of pepper in too. I love pepper. So in that goes. Then we can add in our 1 cup of milk, pop that in, and grate in some cheese. Now you can use whichever cheese you prefer, to be honest. This is a really strong cheddar that I happen to have in the fridge, but a parmesan would be an excellent choice too. Now we're going to give this a good mix together with a little whisk, and it's back to our pan on the hob where everything has cooked down really nicely. So in we go with our egg mixture. Once that's gone in, what I like to do is give it a little mix around, just a bit, so that your ingredients are equally spread around. I'll just loosen it off a bit around the edge. Just take your spatula and just make sure it's not sticking really. Then I'm going to put a hefty amount of cheese back on the top. As I said before, I'm going to be using cheddar, but parmesan would be really good, really strong. And of course, when it's cooked, this cheese on the top is going to look really brown and really delicious. So don't be skimpy, make sure that you use plenty of cheese. I like to add a few chopped tomatoes on the top as well. Really brightly coloured, add a lot of taste, a lot of flavour, looks great. Now I'm going to be cooking this for about 10 to 15 minutes on the hob, medium heat, and finish off with a quick blast under the grill. And then this is what you end up with. Putting it under the grill for a little while, just about 2 or 3 minutes. Browns off that cheese, makes it look so good. So there you have it, my take on a bacon and mushroom frittata. Please join me again next time on the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. Bye for now.